So magandang araw kabole. Sa video na ito, pag-usapan po natin yung mga intriguing po kabole ng mga discussions po throughout Philippine basketball. And then we'll look at the pre-agency po of Mac Belo. So may di pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription. About let's start po with Kevin Cambiao. Of course, napag-usapan na natin yung regarding nga po sa potential niya po na makalaro po sa NBA Summer League. Pero balikan natin yung isa pang rumor regarding nga po sa kagustuhan po ng United Arab Emirates kabola na siya po ay ma-naturalize, di ba? Kabola. So, ito nga po, it's official, no? Gusto talaga ng UAE, madami, halos confirmed na po ng lahat ng angulo na gusto nilang maging naturalized player po itong si Kevin kabola. And of course, di naman nakakagulat. Remember po that Dubai or this UAE is a very rich country kabola. So kung usapang financial offer lang, malamang they can actually beat any offer even by Japan and etc. kabola. They can beat that. Now itong naturalization process actually ang very intriguing dito. They're offering this kasi it is a very good way for them actually to develop quick yung kanila pong basketball kabola. Alam naman natin kapag naturalize po yan, kabola, they can now play, di ba? As there's a national team. So, that's one of the benefit. Other than that, remember na yung magiging anak po ng naturalized po na player, kabola, which, of course, there's a high chance na maging basketball player din po yan, magiging UAE na rin po siya, kabola. So, yun yung mga pag-iisipan ni Kevin, di ba? Kung magpapa-naturalize po siya sa UAE, it means basically he's giving up his dream or his ability to play for our national team, di ba? So talagang it's actually not an easy decision sa palagay po natin kung yun talaga yung magiging offer po sa kanya ng Dubai. Although of course it is a hard offer to pass on knowing nga po yung financial offer po na pwede pong ibigay po yan ng UAE. Now kabola, one more thing po na maganda pag-usapan ngayon is TNT is still waiting actually kay Mikey Williams. So, hindi pa pala talaga naman sila nag-give up, di ba? Sabi dito sa report po ng Ray Hoble is that they want Mikey to be the one to make the first move. So, it means dapat siya yung mag-contact po sa kanila. So, kung hindi mag-contact si Mikey, then there's no chance po na magkaroon po ng reconciliation. Pero at the very least, for the fans of TNT who still believe that they need to have Mikey Williams back, hindi pa rin naman nagiging pa po yung favorite team po ninyo. Then let's talk some about discussions po sa comment section regarding po sa PPA trade rumors San Miguel Northport deal. Ano po script that time? Kasi last time na naglaban sila, na-sweep ng Hinjins ang SMB. That time, ang script po ba ay 3-0 pabor sa SMB kasi 2-0 na SMB. Sabi dito. Again, I'm not sure, di ba? We're not really sure kung talagang meron po script. Erwin Santiago, bakit ba pinapayagan ng PBA na mapuno ng magaling na player ang SMB kabola? Of course, it is actually a very technical or complicated po yan na issue. Diba? Madali lang po sabihin na kasalanan ni Willie Marshall na hinayaan niya. Pero again, the decision to let it happen, kabola, is not that easy to make, kabola. I think, kino-consider din talaga ni Commissioner Willie Marshall kabola, the reality that SMC ang bumubuhay po sa PBA. Pero yun nga lang talaga din, nasosobrahan po nila. Diba? Kaya sobrang dami na pong magagaling na player po sa San Miguel Birmen. User pool tool, yan tayo Pag talo-talo, wala nang ibang dahilan. Tama naman. Andres Coloma Jr., please trace them to the NBA team or trade them to the NBA team. Hey, of course, that is a joke, diba? It's not possible. Now, kabola, ito na nga po, pag-usapan natin. Ito pong si Mac Belo kabola, who can become a restricted free agent at the end of his current contract kasi naabot na po niya yung 7 seasons kabola. And the top 3 teams that we believe should consider signing him, the first one is Rain or Shine. Diba? We still trust Coach Xiang Giao kabola. He's still the best in trying to rejuvenate players kabola. So I think nasa tamang team na ngayon ito si Mac Belo. Next one will be Phoenix. I'm actually excited to see, diba? Kung hindi po pwede sa Rain or Shine, baka sa Phoenix pwede niya makuha doon. Kasi sa Phoenix, they can then focus sa kanyang 3-point shooting, which I do believe kapag nag-focus sila doon, they may find something special there, kabola. And then it will be a modern team. Pero number 1 pa rin natin, San Miguel Beermen. They just added a forward in Don Troliano, pero I think 1 is not enough. They need to try to add 1 more, and I think Macbelo will be fine there on the second forward. Kabakabali sa game, sino dapat mag-offer po kay Macbelo? Comment lang po sa baba.